Hey Percy Jackson fans! Today we'll be making a very special seashell photo frame because, why is it special? It's Percy Jackson version. Now you're probably wondering, hey, you have a full Harry Potter theme going on here, so why Percy Jackson? For you bookworms, you'll probably know. Seashells mean the sea, and the sea is Percy. So yes, we'll be making a Percy Jackson one. So, for this, we'll need, let me count, 5 to 6 things. No, not 6, 7, okay? First, we'll need cardboard, preferably for me, from a cardboard box, in case we make any mistakes. And we'll also need par to several slips of paper, maybe 3 of them. And then this glue gun with filling. Seashells, obviously. It won't be a seashell frame without seashells. And scissors or cutter. Take your wish. If you're feeling generous. And you want to be good. Sand. But you don't technically need sand because I didn't use mine. For your paper, if you want to make it themed without the seashells like mine, you can print it out in those 3. I got sand, but it's up to you. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing we'll be needing is your cardboard. We're going to cut this in the sides. We're gonna need 2 slips. 2 slips of 13 times 8. Okay, 13 times 8. 2 slips. And then one of the slips, you're going to want to make a 2.5 centimeter in both sides here, horizontally, landscape. And up here, it's up to you the measurements, just make it look neat. In here, I think I made it 1 centimeter or 2 centimeters and 2 maybe. I don't know, but it's definitely looking good. Okay, once you're done cutting, which I won't be doing because I already did it, you will want to take your paper. If you had like those 3 slips, you can take 1 slip. You're going to put that 1 piece of cardboard here before you glue it. And you're going to cover it with this from the side so that when you open, it will be the printed side, if you printed it. But if you want to make sure all the sides, including the inside, is neat, you're going to have to print twice as much for this. Just warning, which is why watch first before you do. Okay, once you already put everything, it's already neat, then you can glue them together. 1 on each side except the top, because you'll be using the top. You can make it landscape if you want, but I think it's prettier. Whatever. And then, once you already glue it, it's time to stick. Now for this particular motif, the sticking part is going to be the tricky one. So you're going to have to listen to me. You're going to need particularly this type. It can be any color at all, but this type, not too big. And then you're going to want these for the sides, the insides, those tiny slips. And these bigger ones of any motif you like, any motif. And we're going to need these extremely tiny ones to put in the sides if you don't want to put sand. Or you can also put sand with it. Okay. This will need a particular one. We're going to get these ones. And we're going to put 1 big one here. A similar sized here. We're going to put a smaller size in the middle. 2 of them big size faced upwards in the sides here. And 2 face downwards here. You can also make another one face upwards here. But if it's too much, it's okay like this. And then, we're going to get these regular size ones. And maybe some of these if you're willing. And put them here. Preferably each 4 or 5 in each. 1, 2, 3. Or you can put 3. It's okay. Once you deglue them, just make it look cute. Like side. You don't need to like put too much. Just make it cute. And fill it in. Until you can't fill anymore. And then this is where these small bad babies come in. You're going to glue each tiny side here and put in a tiny one in there. Not too much, just to make it look like the beach. maybe this is too much, but this will look like the beach sort of. And then if you didn't print it out or you want to make it look more beachy, peachy, you can put in the sides here with that sand. Make sure you have something underneath you. Put glue, you gotta get the sand and tap, tap, tap neatly. Okay? And once you're done, I hope you did not glue the top, otherwise you're gonna have to cut it or redo it. You can take your picture, this adorable picture, but I will put in the clip behind in case you want it. And then you're going to cut it to your shape. Make sure it's not too small for this. So make sure it's at least more than 15, but not too much. And a bit less than 12, but more than 11. And you're going to slip it in here as folding it per needed. And slip in here and you've got your adorable frame. And if you want it to stand up, not lay down, or you need to lean on something or hang it, you can get another slip, like a rectangular slip. Coat it again with that paper and fold it neatly, a bit here, a bit there, so it's slanting as much as you please. Okay? I hope this dam makes your day. It's cute. I love it. Thank you, fellow bookworms. I love you. If you've got any questions or I did too fast, you can check me in the comments below or anywhere really if you know me. Thank you. Bye-bye.